Hey guys, what's going on? Before we begin, please click that like button and subscribe if you're new to my channel. I have a problem. I know I did a quick review unboxing, but let me show you what the problem is. I want you guys to figure out what the problem is for this reel. But it's defective. What is defective here? Can you guys tell? Leave a comment. But the problem for me is that I purchased this from Amazon Japan and it was shipped from Japan directly to my house. So their return process is not easy, right? They do domestic services, but for international, they have a very vague, ambiguous instruction about taking it to a DHL. So I took it after printing out what they sent me, just like in the US Amazon. But DHL person rep, very nice. DHL people are so nice. The lady quickly recognized and said she'll try scanning it, but she's seen it before, and that unless it's a DHL shipping label, they probably won't work. And she did manually and scanned it, and it came out as an error, and she couldn't do anything. And she said she'll look into maybe getting it reimbursed, but she advised that I talk to the customer service. Thank God I did, because when she rang it up, it would cost me about $95 to return it, which is 3 times as much as what I paid. I paid around $25 in US dollars after conversion for this to be shipped. So like she said, I went back and I tried to contact Amazon, but Japan, but apparently they're closed until 9 a.m., which was 8 p.m. our time in the Eastern time. So luckily they do speak English if you do purchase, and luckily I listened to the DHL person instead of sending it back, because the customer service within a minute, they said, after I explained what the issue was of whether I need to get a reimbursement and the DHL wouldn't accept the label, she immediately said I could keep this reel or dispose of it, do whatever I want, but she would give me a full refund, including the shipment cost, which was awesome. So my question for you guys is, again, leave a comment what the defective issue is for this reel, if you've noticed it already. Also, what do you guys know a local tackle shop or repair service for Shimano that I could take it to? I don't want to ship it to Shimano USA. I don't know how long it's going to take, how much, what your experience is. Leave a comment. If you know of a local place in Howard County or Prince George or DMV area, let me know. Preferably I would want to take it in person. So like somewhere in Maryland, Howard County or Anne Arundel. That'll be awesome. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.